So we're about to depart to the bakery. Riding on the right. Okay, mate, don't worry. Cheers, mate. I'm behind the red car. You're going left. I'm about 5 cars behind you. You'll be at the calf long before me. That'll be alright. You'll have finished your breakfast. You're joking. No. Oh yeah. Am I okay parking next to you? Or? Road and Broth Bakery and Cafe, Murlenbach, Germany. Fly fisherman on. Yeah, okay. Stop at the first petrol station, Simon, alright. Turning right. So we stop for petrol. Right, so you reckon straight down the hill? Yeah, exactly. Okay, I'm there. You pull out now, mate. There's only me. Yeah, pull out, you pull out. Yes, mate. Okay, mate. Oh, this is a bit more cosmopolitan. And we're going right. Oh, that's a pretty market square. Ah, we're going back into Belgium. No wonder it said border crossing. Holy shit. We haven't got our passports, have we? Okay, we just have to bear that in mind. We just have to bear that in mind. It'll be best fucking blaggy cluffy if the Belgian police, okay? Because we're international border, serious. They can stop us. But look, we don't look like bloody criminals, do we? Oh, blimey, Si, there was a DKW there. D1, DKW in the shop window. So, is it a Triumph gearbox you got on there, mate? What do you reckon, mate? Do you reckon it's the arm or the rod on the clutch? Do you think? Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, look, there's the international border sign. There, you'll see it on the left here. Look, Germany. And Belgium, look, Belgium. We're turning left here. Yeah, cheers, mate. I'll let you come past, my friend. Here you go, all yours. Peage, toll road. That's it. And then go right. Oh. Shit. Right, yeah? Yeah, I think so. I think you've come off a K-class road. You think it's motorway? I don't think it is, my friend. Ah, you're in Belgium now. Yeah, Belgium, look, Belgium road sign. Belgium National Road. But that's all it was. Yeah, it's not a K road. It's a B road, which is like their half an A road. Are we clear? Cheers, mate. So this is the 99th Infantry Division, World War II. This monument stands in honour of the members of the 99th Infantry Division and attached units who gallantly served, and those who died for freedom in the name of liberty during World War II in Europe. The rest is in German. US Secondary Division. US 2nd Division. Oh my lordy. That is a Belgian flag. That, isn't it? Red on the left. The only difference is the red. I no idea. Let's get out of here before the Germans come back. I no idea. We just pulled over because my rear brake arm was it seemed to be tight, and we just backed it off on the adjuster thread a couple, but we're both in agreement that it could be a thermal lock expansion, so we'll see. It is what it is. But Simon, the tarmac, just watch out for Weirdo there on the corner. Oh God. Yeah, but you know my luck. If there's a mad axeman on the loose, I will bump into him. And then I'll get done for knocking him down. I don't know who Helga is, but he said he's got lunch sorted. He said, Helga, I have a lunch for you, no problem. One big fat Englishman and a very old crusty Englishman. Yeah. Riding on the right, yep. Okay, mate. Yeah. A bloody fly right on my bloody visor. The only one in, yeah, wherever we are. Oh, that's going into a steep ravine, isn't it? We must be, I don't know, there's a bit of pothole in here. Well, I guess it's snow damage. Don't you? It's wonderful, isn't it, mate? Driving on the right side. We're alright. Been here before. Keep coming. Turn left at the end. There's a bridge. I've fucked up, haven't I? Yeah, I think so. 2.5 ton limit. No, it's here. It's left here. Left. Staying on the right. Dog on the right. On the lead. Tied up. So we parked here on the left. Going right. Going left, but staying on the right. Here, just pull up over here. Cars can come through, you see. No. This is a through road, is the red. But we won't be able to park here. But I thought I'd come and show you it. Do you know what I mean? So... yeah. Okay, mate. Driving on the right. You ready? Hi. He's pointing to your side. What was it? Side ton. Watch the pedestrians. Yeah, so we daren't stay there, but dare we? I mean, we've seen it.